Hi, welcome to eSpares, I'm Matt. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Bosch washing machine if it's showing the error code F27. If your washing machine is displaying the error code F27, this indicates that the machine is overfilling with water due to a faulty pressure switch. So to sort the problem, you're going to have to replace the pressure switch. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Torx screwdriver with a T20 head and of course a new pressure switch. And you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Next, we need to take the top off the Bosch washing machine by undoing the two screws at the back that hold it in place using our Torx T20 screwdriver. To remove the top completely, push back and lift off. And here we can see the pressure switch. To remove it from the appliance, simply twist to the left or to the right and it should lift out. On yours, you may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pinch down these tabs to lift it away. Then remove the electrical connection by pushing down the tab and lifting away. And then lastly, you've got this hose that's attached at the bottom. Now there's no Jubilee clip attached to the hose to keep it in place on this model, but you may have one on yours. For that, you'll need to use a pair of pliers to pinch the clip, push it down and then remove the hose. On this one, you can simply pull it off. Now, before replacing the pressure switch, it's always worth checking if the issue was caused by a simple blockage rather than the faulty pressure switch. To test this, blow down the pressure pipe. If you feel any resistance, keep on blowing until the pipe is clear. Now, if there was a blockage and you managed to clear it, it's always worth refitting the old pressure switch and testing the machine again first. However, if there wasn't a blockage, the pressure switch will definitely be faulty and need replacing, particularly if the error code F27 does show. So now you're going to need to fit a new pressure switch to your Bosch washing machine. In order for you to get the correct pressure switch for your particular washing machine, you're going to need to know the model number. Now, if you have no idea about where to find the model number on your appliance, don't worry. Check out our video here, which will give you everything you need to know to get the correct pressure switch for your exact appliance. So to fit your new pressure switch, simply push the spindle at the bottom of the pressure switch down into your pressure pipe, making sure it's nice and firmly on. Then you can push it into the cabinet and then finally fit the electrical connection before fitting the top of the washing machine. So there we have it, how to fix the error code F27 on your Bosch washing machine. Hopefully your machine is up and running smoothly again. Now, if your washing machine is displaying another error code and you're uncertain how to diagnose the problem and fix it, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out our playlist down here for everything you need to know. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things maintenance advice, repair guides, money and energy saving tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.